This is my first video about water heaters from I'm with Richard's Repair and Remodeling, owner-operator. And this is what happens when you have hard water and no water treatment. The minerals in the water are attracted to the heated element, and they solidify on the element and then eventually fall off into the bottom of the tank. When enough mineral has accumulated, it actually envelops and covers the bottom element, and at that point the element is heating the mineral rather than the water. And so what you'll get is poor and inefficient water heating. Sometimes it'll create steam burst, which can be dangerous for individuals using the hot water. I've got this tool that I'm able to clean the mineral out with if it's small enough pieces. As you can see, the buildup can be quite arduous. It can be difficult to get out. My experience has been most repair people will just shove a new element right in the mess, or they'll just replace the water heater because it's very difficult to get the mineral out. Generally, I'm able to get a big enough percentage of the mineral removed to get the water heater to function properly again. As long as the dip tube is still in place, check all of the components, make sure they're still working correctly. I can usually get about a 98% success rate cleaning out and repairing water heaters like this way. But I just thought seeing all the mineral pouring out of the bottom element hole might make an interesting video, so I decided to go ahead and record one for you. Until next time, see you on the next interesting and unusual repair video by Richard's Repair and Remodel.